At Gigasheet, we've made it easy to cross-correlate your large data set with our cross-file Vlookup function. You don't have to remember any syntax or type in a formula. Simply follow the easy prompts and voila, you will have the data that you are looking for. Gigasheet can handle really huge files that are too big for Excel or Sheets and under normal circumstances would require a database. I have two sheets here, one that is a large data set at 4 million rows that contains car sale data, and a second data set contains supplemental region data. I want to correlate this regional data to my main dataset of car sales. Navigate to your main large data set. Select the Insert menu and select Lookup. Select the column you want to match on in the first sheet, and then select the sheet to search and its column. Here, I am selecting regions and conducting a Vlookup based on the other sheet, where I had additional region information. Gigasheet will add new columns to the original file values where the original values were present. For example, I am bringing in data that shows popular cars in that region, as well as a numerical code. Once this is done, you can see that the regions that appeared in my regional info now appears in my car sales data. It's that easy to conduct a Vlookup on a large dataset in Gigasheet. That's all there is to it. If you've got questions or need a hand, feel free to reach out through the support chat or shoot us an email at support@gigasheet.com. Thanks for tuning in.